Hey friends, today we're going thrifting at Goodwill to find furniture and decor for my new she shed that's still under construction. Welcome to the Cleveland Cottage. I'm Janet and love all things home and decorating. I'm so excited that you're here, so let's see what they have and let's go thrifting. The first stop is the book and furniture section because I'm looking for some end tables and large books for the coffee table and new custom built bookcases. I've not had much luck in the past with finding large books, but let's see what they have today. I was lucky this time. I found two nice ones, but I got so excited I forgot to film it, but I'll show them to you when we go through the haul later. Let's move on to the furniture section. I really love this wicker chest. It was reasonably priced, but it had some damage, so I think I'll pass on it. They had some really cute throw pillows, but that's not why I'm here. I can hear Tom saying in my head, "Keep moving, focus." I get distracted when I'm shopping, but he always keeps me on track, even when he's not with me. I really like the structure of this chair, but I want to look some more because I still need to recover my dining room chairs, so I want to see if I can find chairs that will not need to be recovered. This was a unique piece. However, a lady told me that someone had purchased it for her daughter's bedroom. I'm sure this little girl's going to love this one-of-a-kind piece. I really like this piece too. However, what really caught my eye was another round table. I thought it was sold, but a wonderful salesperson named Winston checked for me and discovered that it had not been picked up. Winston said it was mine. I wanted to include Winston in my video for being so helpful.
Okay, so this is the Goodwill in Cleveland, Tennessee, and we're purchasing the brown end table, and we think that's what it's called. And here in a couple of months, hopefully we'll see it on YouTube and it'll be white.
Thank you, Winston. I hope you'll show Winston some love for being so helpful and give this video a thumbs up or leave him a comment. I'm sure he would love it. Now let's look at the pictures and decor and see what they have. I love this beautiful picture, but I'm not sure if I need to take that home right now. I might get in trouble. This box is different and would definitely be a pop of color on the bookshelves. However, I want to find more functional pieces, so let's keep looking. This beautiful pink ceramic egg caught my eye. It's just gorgeous and a great price, so it's coming home with me. I wasn't here to buy Easter decor, but I just couldn't leave this stunning piece. As soon as I put that egg in my cart, I turned around and I found another cute chocolate-looking egg, and it had to come home with me too. Apparently, I wasn't listening to Tom in my head today. I always wanted a cute little easel to jot down notes while I'm working or to write Bible or inspirational verses on, so this is coming home too. I love the size and details on this vase. It was so heavy that I could barely pick it up. I'm not crazy about the flowers, but those can be removed. Let's browse a few more minutes and get home to go through my haul. Well, we're back from Goodwill, and while Tom's outside working on the shed, I wanted to show you what I picked up. I found this cute little chalkboard easel. It was $2.27. It was originally $7, but I think it'll be nice to write like the days of the week or something and put it on my desk. I found this metal J letter, and of course that'll go on the bookshelf in the shed. I also picked up this little metal candle holder, and I just love the design on it. I don't think it's antique, but it's still very nice. And you just put one of those little flameless candles, and I think lit up at night is going to be beautiful. But that was $5.27. I was hoping I'd find some large coffee table books, and I was in luck. I scored 2 for $2.99 a piece. I found this Rachel Ashwell Couture Prairie, and if I don't like the cover, I can pull it off because it's a nice gray neutral, and I can use it inside in the house or in the shed. And I also found this French room, and it's got this beautiful gold lettering on it, and I think I'll probably use this one in the shed and the gray one inside. And the 2 cutest finds of the day were these 2 ceramic eggs, and I'll be using these in my Easter decorations, but I just wanted to show you how adorable they were, and the tops come off. But my favorite is this beautiful pink one. Look at the detail, and it's got little beads on it. And I'll be using these when I decorate for Easter. Before it rains, I wanted to take you outside and show you the 3 pieces of furniture that I bought for the shed. So let's go. And here's the 3 pieces of furniture I bought. I think I'm going to use this beautiful round one to go next to the sofa when I buy it. And these 2 end tables, I think I'm going to put them over here underneath the windows. And I took out those awful looking flowers in this vase, and I'll be using it on the bookshelf. I hope you enjoyed thrifting with me today, and stay tuned for my next video. We'll be taking down the Christmas decor and transitioning over to a more winter theme. Until then, live life and find what makes you happy. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.